Yeah, about to try this bacon saltfish. Eat it with yeah. Yeah, see it here? Bacon saltfish. You know what I mean? See how nice that is? Wow. 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 Yep. About to take a nice bite out of that. Let me fix up the camera. Okay. Set the camera up better. Bacon and saltfish and what? Milo. And I have my tripod, so we are work with it. You know what I'm saying? And the Milo. So I could take a bite of the bacon and saltfish. This really look good. It's really good. I think I could look inside and see what they in there. So camera shake. Yeah, I could see. So we have some onion, so look like I have some garlic, have some pepper. Yo, yeah, some onion, some garlic, some pepper, tomato. Yeah, man, olive oil she use. You know what I say? Damn, see that? Love that. Love that so much. Bacon, saltfish. Think about it. This is great. Mind me, my tripod left it at in my car or wherever. I don't know where it's at. So I just want to get and I'm not to edit the video. I don't have time for that. So we have the nice Milo. It's an original Milo, you know. If I'm gonna put it now. I'm showing you. Original Milo tea. Remember when we look at you and grandmother used to make Milo tea. Ooh, sweet, you know, man. Milo, a long time I drink Milo tea. See, man. Really good. So, man, look at all this saltfish right here. Saltfish I can't waste, you know. Saltfish tastes so good. Go to try it. Wow. So I take one. I eat it with egg before. I think I went to Guyana, but first time I eat it with saltfish, kind of excited. You know what I say? So 1, 2, 3. All right. Which side of a bite? I'll take a sip of the tea first. Should I? Take a sip. My video them authentic, you know. I have noise all in my background. You heard? Yeah, that noise in my background. This is really good. So didn't you sleep already?
You want me to stay up with you?
Yeah.
Is that home?
Yeah. You want to talk to your boyfriend on the phone? Cause she got her side guy. You know what I mean?
That's a lie.
Yeah. She have her side guy then.
Yeah, you would never bother me for that.
I guess we now have a poly relationship.
Why? Because you got your side bitches?
No?
Oh.
No, she in a poly relationship with me. She have a guardian.
You like it for me?
It's real good. This is really good. It's good for breakfast. You know what I mean? Something them can sell for breakfast.
That's what they eat for breakfast.
Run camera, run. Listen, man, I gotta work with what I got. Don't have my camera, my tripod, so this is what I'm. Everything is in real time. Ain't nothing fake about what I'm doing. Everything is real time, real thing. You know what I mean? This is good. What name again? Bake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bake and salted. It's a
Come on.
traditional dish.
Come on, mix well with the what you call it? Mix well with the Milo tea. Oh my God. Perfect. Give this 11 out of 10. Yeah, this is good. And you know that I don't eat a lot of things. You know? Y'all making bread like that in Guyana? What time you eat bread from the shop or the bakery? Feels good. Yep. Don't mind the camera sliding and all that stuff, you heard?
Oh my God.
That's all, man. I don't. Yep, camera keeps sliding. But yeah, try me for the next video. You never know what I might do. You never know. You might end up seeing me in Africa. You might end up seeing me in Japan. You might end up seeing me in Antarctica. We just vibe over here. We just do whatever we feel like. Anything. We just do whatever we feel like. We talk. We eat food. We drive car. You know. We go on vacation. We work. We do everything. This is real life.
Turks and Caicos for my birthday.
You have money?
You got money. It's my birthday. You gotta give me. You gotta do everything and call them and surprise me.
Me look like Drake.
No. You look like little baby.
Go on. I'll see. Go down on something there.
China?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. I want to do something nice for my birthday.
Yeah, man. I definitely do something nice.
I don't want to plan it.
You ain't gotta plan it.
I'm tired of planning stuff.
So here what
I
chat.
just want to show up.
Here what chat.
And yeah.
And you give me some places, I'll make we plan it for your birthday. It's May 29th. You hear me? We're gonna plan it, right?
My 40th birthday.
Yes, yeah. So I turned 40.
You believe that? That sounds so weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn 40. Wow.
She's turning 40 years old, man. You know what I mean? We're gonna plan it, okay? Yeah, that's right, chat. We're gonna plan this. So here, the bake was A1. 11 out of 10. Yo, can't go wrong with bacon saltfish. Black and I'm out.